YouTube, it's your boy Huncho back with another vlog. And I know I ain't vlogged in a minute, but shit, today is gonna be a little on how to change an oil pan on a Q50 red sport. I got brother here to be my assistant.
I am not no fucking assistant.
You gotta watch me, brother. Watch me work, brother.
No, always watching.
Exactly, our assistants, ready?
Alright, y'all. Right now, we just waiting on a
Typical oil to drain out. But mind you, let me show you what I need an oil pan for. Cause this car ain't even slammed or nothing. This the craziest thing ever. So boom, I'm trying to do a little oil change or whatever. Take the drain bolt out, and the whole shit came out. Like, this motherfucker ain't even loosened up a little bit. And they're so tight. I don't know what could have did it. It wasn't the weather. It wasn't too hot. So I don't know. But the insides look a little torn up anyway. So I'm gonna just replace the whole shit. Fuck it. But I'll get back with y'all in a couple more seconds. I just put a brand new filter on everything, so I'm gonna get that oil pan up there and call it.
Come on, buddy. Do I need to get up in here and do some shit, buddy? What am I doing?
Buddy, don't rush the plate, but
Rush the plate. That motherfucker out like 30 minutes ago.
Nigga, I'm over here talking to y'all and shit.
Hey,
Nigga,
you could have been talking to us down there like you ain't did that shit before.
I'm too excited. Buddy.
God. I had to pop that shit out.
What, you farting?
Oh yeah, you hear them motherfuckers?
Yeah, no, thank God. Nigga. Huncho. Boy.
Congratulations, Kira.
We finally got that done. The next step is to insert the oil. Alright, y'all, I don't know. I ain't never used this before. But let me give it a little love because it's a fresh oil pan. A little love. If that's love.
What's up, YouTube? We just got done putting the oil pan in the new 2018 Q50 Red Sport. We're just seeing how she sounds. Sounding pretty good. You know, gotta let her run a little bit. Get everything working right.
Damn, bro, how long you been doing this for?
Shit, about 3 years.
3 years. Got him right, got him right?
Got you right, buddy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, brother and sister. Alright, y'all, I think that's gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna get back with y'all. And for y'all who've been wondering where this been at, it's right here. Ain't going nowhere. Shit, I need to, I don't know, figure out what I'm gonna do next to it. It's just sit and collect dust. Honestly. Put some new little lights in the dash and shit. It's still run and drive, do everything. I just don't drive this motherfucker, honestly. Yeah. That's where it been at, gang. Still got my wing, and put my wing fully on. The wrap holding up cool. Got a little janky areas on it though. But yeah.